Hey guys, this is Ted with OAXRAY, and today I'm going to talk about how you can speed up your bagging of items that need to be put into a poly bag. So I wanted to throw a quick video out there. This is something that I've recently purchased. I purchased this in April 12. I knew I had a huge bagging project to complete, and it had over 100,000 units that I needed to bag in total. So, you open up your Ziploc kind of poly bag, throw it in there, and the first thing I noticed is whenever I would put it in the box, there'd be just so much air in those bags. And I actually looked around for how a hole punch that's actually going to work on a few hundred of these bags, so I can punch the hole in there. And this Carl extra heavy duty 2-hole punch was just awesome. So I want to do a quick video about it. I don't even have an affiliate link, but this thing worked awesome on the poly bags, and it actually saved a ton of space. I thought I was only going to be able to fit 30 or 40 items in each box, but whenever I was able to compress it and get all the air out using this, 50 were able to fit in a box. So just an awesome tool. If you guys find it, you'll notice that it's 200 bucks. I actually bought one used from Amazon warehouse deals, so you might just set an alert and check that out. There are a few things that I bought with it, which are just the extra hole punch, but I didn't even need them, and I went through all 100,000 bags with no problem. And if you are trying to figure out something that's going to make things a little bit quicker, this cut down the speed by 50%, because before we were squeezing the bags trying to get all the air out. And now that we have these holes, you just throw it in the box and the air just kind of naturally comes out. I looked at some of the smaller ones, but I just didn't think they were strong enough to go through enough sheets of the poly bag. I was using 2 mil, so they're kind of thick. But I just love this hole punch. It's awesome. It is something that I'm using every time from now on to let the air out of the poly bags, just to save me so much time. And you'll notice that down here, I think it says you can't use this with poly bags, or they've never tried. But I'm actually going to answer the question and say that you can use this with poly bag. It worked awesome. And that's all I had to say. I just wanted to talk about this product. Whenever I find something that makes my life a little bit easier, I just want to talk about it, because maybe there's someone out there who's like, how do I make this a little bit easier on myself? I'm bagging all these items. And this is how you do it. It's pretty easy. Works really well. And it lasts me a long time. I went through over 100,000 bags. Thank you guys very much. Have a great day. Make some money using OAXRAY.
Please like and subscribe. And if you have a question about Amazon, put a comment down below and I'll make a video about it as soon as I can.